Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to generate any of the buildings just by using the AI for your iClone 8 3D animation software. And start from now, I'm going to show you all the step by step. Let's go. Right, the first step, what you need to do is just go to the Google image to search for building 3D or any of the building that you want. You can just directly search it from there. Just for example, if you want to have this, so you can just right click and save the image as on the desktop, save. Next, just go to an AI app, go to my website freedom3d.art and then scroll down until you can see the same 3D. Then from here, this is an AI app that allows you to just convert any of the picture to 3D. You just need to upload from the desktop. Upload. Just wait for a few seconds. Now it is uploading until it shows it at here. So next, you can just click to just select the area that you want it to generate. So now it already highlighted. Just click generate 3D. It is going to generate the 3D model. Just wait for a few more seconds. Within a few seconds, it would be done. You can see it is really fast. Now it already generated a building. So from here, what you need to do is just click download a GLB file, download, and wait for a few seconds until it is ready. Next, open Blender. We are going to use the Blender to convert the GLB file to become FBX file. It can be any version of the Blender. For any Blender. For today, I have the Blender 5.0, but actually it is not the latest version. It's okay. So I click the empty area and press A, select all, just delete everything. Next, drag in the GLB file, import. Then next, turn on the material texture. From here, we are going to export as FBX. Click File, Export FBX. On the desktop, name this as Building 01. The path mode here, you need to choose Copy. The path mode choose Copy. This is to make sure that all of the material texture are embedded inside the FBX file. Always remember this one, you have to highlight it as well. Next, export the FBX. Now it already become the FBX file. Next, back to the iClone. You just need to directly import the FBX file in this way. Drag and drop, click Convert All, and you can see now it is without the texture, but it automatically generates a folder just named as .fbm. You just need to double click it. This one, you have to rename it. Just click and press F2 to rename it, then click .png, enter. Now you can see it already become a picture. So now drag and drop the PNG into iClone. Right now, next we are going to just make it bigger, but before that you need to scroll down, set the pivot point at the bottom, and then next at here, click Reset Transform, then click Zero Out. The scale, of course, you can just make it bigger because for each of the grid it is about 1 meter. It is exactly 1 meter. So this one you have to just make it bigger. If you want, you can just put it at the background. And as a common sense, for each of the floor it is about 3 meter height. So you must make sure that it is up to the scale. Make sure each floor is 3 meter high. But of course, this building is generated by the AI, so the resolution is low. You can just put it at the background of your 3D animations. It will be really amazing if you use it as the background building. And of course, you cannot open the windows, you cannot open the door. You can just put it on the background. Alright, that's all for today about my tutorials on how to generate any of the building just by using the AI and bring your real-life building to the iClone 8 3D animation software. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials and sharings, if you feel all these tutorials and sharings are very helpful to your 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all, so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials or sharings, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. See you. Happy animation.